Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peyton if you are new here. So today's video is one I'm extremely excited about, and it is a haul of everything that I'm planning to wear in Europe. So if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm heading to Europe and I'm going to be in Italy, I'm going to be in France, and it's going to be about 3 to 4 weeks. Hopefully 4 weeks. We're still finalizing some final details of the second half of the trip, but I'll definitely be in Rome. I'll be in Showpo, which is in southern Italy. I'll also be in Paris and Nice. So we're going all over. We're gonna have some beachy vibes. We're gonna have some city vibes. But anyway, I've spent a lot of time looking on Pinterest, looking on my favorite websites for clothes, and I have a ton of pieces behind me that I want to show you guys. This is going to be a long video because I have so many items, so I'm going to sit in this one and then insert some detail video clips to the side for you guys to see everything. As always, the items will be linked down below. Everything should be in stock because they're all recent purchases. And before we get started, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's dive in. So first up, we have this dress from Showpo. This dress, when I saw it, just screamed streets of Italy, beach in Italy. I've never been to Italy, but that's the vibe I was getting when I saw it. So as you guys can see, it is a one-shoulder dress, and it also is midi length. I am so into midi length dresses. I feel like they're so classy and they just look really lovely on. And this one's also really fun because it has some cool cutout detailing, and then I also love the tiered layers in the bottom part. I just feel like it screams like romantic European summer vibes, and that is definitely what I'm here for. And then this pattern's also really nice because it's not too crazy, it's not too bold, it's kind of like muted tones of all these colors, but it also will be really easy to style because I can pair it with kind of any color heel, black heels, white heels, a colored shaded heel, etc., or obviously sandals or even cowgirl boots. So this dress was my first find and I'm really excited to wear it. Next up, I have another really fun dress from Showpo. So I know it's kind of hard to tell on the hanger, but I'll have the video for you guys over here showing the details. But this is a really fun white dress. So what drew me to this dress originally was the cutout in the back and the sides. I just feel like having that little pop of skin showing, it feels very summery and makes me excited to wear this somewhere, hopefully on the beach. I also love the color. I love a good white dress. I feel like it's never out of style to wear a fun white dress for summer and spring. And then the flow in the bottom of this is just really nice, and again falls into that romantic European summer vibes. And then the last item I got from Showpo is this pair of pants. So this color is everything and more. I saw so much of this color at Coachella, which I obviously am getting so much outfit inspiration from, but I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. Pink is definitely the it color of spring and summer, along with orange. So these pants obviously would look good with a simple white top. You could wear it with like the white bodysuit I have on, a white crop top, and then pair like an oversized black blazer on top and throw on some heels and wear it for a dinner out. I also think this would be fun to color block. So I have an orange crop top that I would style with this pair of pants as well, and I think that would just be a really fun bold color. I love the length on these pants. I think they're so good. Next up, we have the cutest two-piece set from Akira. So it is a halter top and matching pants. So starting with the halter top, I love the fit of this. Both pieces are kind of like a knit material, and the halter top is really fun because it has this deep cut down the middle, so you're kind of flashing your rib cage, belly button area. However, the pants are high-waisted, so they cover your belly button and you'll just have like a small piece of skin showing. And I also like the pants because they have pockets. Anything with pockets, ladies, you know, we're fans of. And then it also has the drawstring, so you can definitely make it fit your body shape and make sure that you're really comfortable when you wear this. So these next pieces I am probably the most excited about. I had a vision when I ordered these items. So these are from SLA. This influencer that I follow, it's her brand, and you guys just have to check them out. The entire website has so many cute pieces. But I saw this and I was like, I need to wear this in Paris under the Eiffel Tower. I have never been to France. I've never been to Italy, like I said, but I am just envisioning this in the Eiffel Tower twinkling at night. I'm so excited about it. So I actually have 3 pieces from SLA the Label. I'm going to start with the bralette. So first we have the cute little bralette. So this is like your typical bralette fit. It is a bit of a thicker material, and it's nice because the inside is sort of lined with like a silk fabric, so it's not itchy or scratchy or anything. And I just love the glittery vibe to it. It's sort of like a minty green color as well, which I think is just so beautiful. She also has some more silver pieces if you prefer silver. And then I got the matching pants, and accidentally, I'll explain, I got the matching skirt. I actually meant to order the matching blazer because I wanted to wear the pants, blazer, and bralette all together, but the order arrived and I was like, what? I got the skirt instead, and I checked and I accidentally did order the skirt, which I'm not mad about. The more I thought about it, I was like, I have multiple bottoms now that I can wear and style a ton of different ways. So here's the skirt. I got everything in a size small and they fit really well. I cannot wait to wear this. You guys are gonna see it on Instagram. I will just be posting this outfit, I'm sure, far too much, but I'm really excited about it. Moving on, we have some Princess Polly pieces. I have a new Princess Polly code I'll insert on the screen for you guys to use for 20% off the site, but I got a lot of neutral, sort of daytime vibey outfits from Princess Polly. I have one colorful piece that I'll show you, but otherwise I did lean into the like European neutral girl vibes. Honestly, I'm not making this up because I don't know if they wear a ton of neutrals in Italy and France, but I'm just going with that vibe for most of the trip. Neutrals and sparkles is kind of like my energy, my aesthetic for Europe. Anyway, so first I got this really fun bodysuit. Everyone needs this bodysuit in their life. I got a ton of compliments when I wore it the other night out to dinner with my friends, and it's just so fun. It has a very deep cowl neck, and it sort of goes down to your stomach area, but I love the thin strap right in the middle of it. I think it's such a sexy detail, and yet you're totally covered. You can like dance and shake and move the whole night. And then it also has a small strap in the back that holds it all together. And I have it styled specifically in this outfit with some cargos, also from Princess Polly. These are oversized cargos, so when I saw them on the site, I thought they'd be a little bit more like sweatpants, track pants sort of material. They are more like a classic cargo material, so just keep that in mind. They aren't exactly how they look on the site, but I'm showing them to you guys in the close-up over here, and they're still super cute. Next up, this outfit is giving me sort of like Burberry chic vibes because of the pattern in the pants. So I'll start with the pants first. These pants are so fun. They're sort of like a capri style pants. I think if you're a little shorter, they'll be full length on you, but because I'm tall, they are a little bit of a capri style on me. I'm planning to wear them with either some chunky white sneakers, black boots, or I also could wear it for a night out with some black heels, and I think that'd be really fun. I love the belted detail on these pants. I think it's very flattering and gives kind of the perfect waistline. And then this top is kind of like that black bodysuit that I mentioned, or that I showed you guys, where it just has a small detail in the middle holding it together. I really love tops like this, and I've been noticing them a lot more for this spring and summer fashion season, where it's just a tiny little piece of fabric or button or something like that holding it all together. And I think it's very simple, yet also very sexy at the same time. And this is just a good white top to pair with any sort of outfit. Moving along, I did get two really fun dresses, but very different dresses from Princess Polly. So the first one is this bodycon midi dress. As you guys can see, it's sort of like a zebra sort of pattern to it. I think it's really beautiful, very classy, and I love the midi length. As you guys saw with the first dress, I think midi length dresses are just so chic and subtly sexy. I like that this is bodycon because obviously it really is very flattering to your natural shape, and it shows off your full natural shape. And then I also think this will be good to pair with like a blazer on top to go out to eat dinner, or I also could wear it a little bit more casually and just wear it with like some white chunky sneakers to walk around. So as I mentioned, the other dress is a very different vibe from the first one. So as I said, I'm going to be in Rome for part of this trip, and Rome was where the Lizzie McGuire movie was filmed. So I was like, I need a little purple or a little green to wear around Rome and get sort of like a Lizzie McGuire movie inspired shot with the Trevi Fountain, or with one of the main places to visit. So I love this purple dress. I think it's so fun. I love the straps on it. I love the little pops of skin that show. And I also think it would be really fun for a night out styled with either an oversized blazer or some sort of like denim jacket and then fun boots. And then the last two pieces that I got from Princess Polly are another Burberry inspired top and then a brown mini skirt. So starting with the top, I've seen this top so many times on the Princess Polly site and always love it. So I finally decided to get it. Finally decided this was the trip that I wanted to style it on. Again, leaning into the neutral European girl vibes that I'm making up in my head. And then, as you guys have probably seen, mini skirts are super in, so I wanted to definitely get a mini skirt. Princess Polly always on top of the trend, so they have so many mini skirts to choose from. I like this one because it is still slightly high-waisted, but it also stays down when I walk. It fits really well. I got a US 4, which is actually what I got in everything that I showed you guys. I got everything true to size. And I just think this outfit's really cute together. Again, another one I could style for a dinner out, or with some like black combat boots to walk around. The next outfit I have is actually styled completely around this Bob Ore purse that I just got in. This purse is so beautiful. I literally am in love with it. I have been carrying it all day today. I just got it in the mail yesterday and I am so excited about it. So it just, to me, feels very classy, very chic. It's the perfect size, and I styled it with this really fun, chic, simple blazer type of outfit. So this blazer top is from last year. It's from Charcoal Clothing, and I really love the fit of it. And then the trousers are from Zara. They have fun side cutouts. But again, the star of this outfit is definitely the bag, and I can't wait to wear this and pack it with me for Europe. So as I mentioned, we're also going to be at the beach quite a bit while we're in Europe, beyond the big city vibes. So I got this dress. It's from Pretty Little Thing. I originally got it to wear sort of like as a night out dress because I think it's just super fun. I love the skin pops that you get through these buttons being a little bit open. However, it is a bit more sheer than I expected, so how I'm thinking of styling it is as a beach cover-up. If I wear a white bikini underneath or a white one piece, it is so fun, and it's kind of like the perfect cover-up because you can still see the bathing suit underneath, but you're very covered because it obviously has a high neckline. And I think it's just kind of like the perfect lightweight dress to pair for any like beach vibe outfit. So the next items are very practical, and they are two very simple tube tops from Aritzia. I love these tube tops so much. I've already been wearing them a ton. I've been trying to sort of hold on to all of the pieces that I've shown you guys already because I don't want to wear them before I get on my trip, because obviously I got them specifically for my trip. However, these two tops I could not hold off on. They are going to be my go-to tops all spring, all summer long. I can't believe I survived this long without them, to be completely honest and not dramatic, because truly I've been wearing them so much. They look perfect with a low-rise pair of pants, cargo pants, skirts. You can style them with a pair of jeans, throw a blazer on top, like everything you can throw a blazer on top, but also everything you can wear these tops with. So I got black and I got white, and I also got them in extra small. Usually I wear small in Aritzia, but these fit really well in extra small, so just keep that in mind if you guys are looking at them. So all of these final pieces are very Paris chic in my opinion. So we're gonna start with some items from Peppermayo. You guys know I love Peppermayo so much. So I went with a very feathery vibe for these pieces that I got from Peppermayo. We'll first start with the skirt. So I got this really fun black mini skirt with feathers at the end. Feathers are very trendy. Again, another thing that we saw if you guys were keeping up with a lot of Coachella outfits. Feathers are definitely here to stay for 2022. So I love this skirt. I think it'll be so cute with a very simple white tee added with it, or even a black crop top. Just to keep things very simple, the skirt should be the statement since it has all the fun feathers on it. And I can't wait to wear this. And then I also could not stay away from getting the feather black mini dress. So this dress is bodycon, as you guys can see, and has a really fun feather detailing around the chest area, and again, cannot wait to wear this. So as you guys know, if you've watched my other videos, when I love something, I really love it. So I did not only get the feathery pieces in black, but I also got them in white. So I got the same feathery skirt in white, and then I also got the matching top to go with that one. Again, feathers are here to stay for 2022. I think these pieces are so cute together, but I of course would style them separately as well. And it's just gonna be such a fun outfit to wear and just feel like she is the moment while I'm wearing them. Moving on to the final couple pieces from Peppermayo. I of course had to get a midi maxi dress from Peppermayo as well. I've seen this one also on the site quite a few times and really love the pattern in it. It says Peppermayo, but it sort of has like a city vibe to the pattern, and I just think it's so unique, so fun. And I also love that it's kind of like pastel colors, so I definitely can lean into the color trend and yet still feel a little bit more neutral, a little bit more chic for that European neutral girl vibe that I'm going for. And this will just be a really easy day dress to wear as we walk around and explore different places, but also I'll feel very put together and classy and chic. And then if you guys are picking up on any trends in this video, please note that I really am into the tops with the small pieces holding it together. So this is another one that I got. This is from Peppermayo as well, and I just love the pattern on it. It's just 2 pieces of fabric, sort of like a comic book pattern on here with city vibes. I love this because of all the colors. It has orange, it has reds, blues, yellow. I think it'll be really fun to style with either a pair of white trousers, a skirt, jeans, or even like black bottoms. Just so many ways to style this. And for this one, I got my usual size, which is a US 4, or in Peppermayo size, I believe that's an 8. And for the final clothing item of this haul, I got this insane mesh rhinestone top from Amazon. You guys, this was the Amazon top that I was like, do I order it? Is it gonna be ugly on? Do I trust the reviews? Do I not trust the reviews? Order this top. I am not kidding. I put it on. I literally sent it to my hairstylist and I was like, you need this top. It is iconic, because I was telling her about it earlier. This top is so good. I'm impressed, honestly, by the details on it. I love the fit. The way I'm planning to style it is how I have it over here, with a black bralette, probably black high-waisted bottoms, and just wear it for a fun night out. It also would be really cute with a blazer on top, so you just have a little bit of that mesh detailing with the rhinestones. For pictures, I am absolutely using flash when I take pictures in this to pick up on the sparkly rhinestones, but just do yourself a favor and get this top. To close out this video, I want to show you guys a couple essential accessories that I also got that I think are just going to take my outfits to the next level. So the first one is this body chain. So this is also from Princess Polly, and as you guys can see, this body chain goes over your chest area. And then how you'd wear it is either with a bodysuit, a crop top, or a bathing suit top styled on top of this. So you're sort of just getting the illusion of a rhinestone bathing suit or a rhinestone bra underneath. It just sort of draws the eye to this area and is a fun accessory, switching it up from a necklace. This I'm definitely planning to style with bathing suit tops a lot. I also got a really fun body chain I'll link down below from Princess Polly. So all the chains, they're just like the simple details that take your outfits to the next level, and I cannot wait to have somewhere to wear this one. And then when in Paris, you of course need all the bow girly things. So I got this bow from Amazon. I believe it was like $5. It was very affordable, and I put it in my hair earlier today, and I absolutely love the way it sits, the way it lays. It looks a lot more expensive than it is. They also had a pack of a few different colors, but personally, based on my outfits, I think I can get away with wearing a black bow in my hair whenever I style this. But if you guys have been looking for a bow, this one's perfect. It clips in your hair like those clips that we all wore when we were little and growing up, and it stays nice and secure once you put it in. Next up, dad sunglasses were an absolute must. I got these from Princess Polly. So they may not be the most beautiful sunglasses on. I definitely don't feel super chic when I wear them. However, I feel very cool, very on trend, very vibey. And I think they'll just be fun to wear either on the beach or to sort of like up style and up level different outfits that I have. I think these definitely are like a street style pair of sunglasses. This is another item that we saw all at Coachella. Lots of gas station dad vibe sunglasses. So if you guys are looking for any, Princess Polly has these, and of course you can use my code. And then for the very last item in this haul, I have the cutest, most Paris ready bag. This is from Acura, and I just think it's so beautiful. So as you guys can see, it has these sparkly details. The handles all glitter, rhinestone sparkles, and it's sort of like bows, and I just think this bag was designed so beautifully. It's nice because it also comes with a long strap, so if I wanted to wear it crossbody, I could do that as well. But this is such a cute piece, and I can't wait to wear her with all of these outfits. So with that, we are at the end of today's YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of these outfits that I'm packing for Europe. I cannot wait to style them. I cannot wait to wear them on my trip. And if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to leave comments down below. As always, everything is linked down in the description box. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in Europe.